Hi, my name is Richard Dunbar, and what I'm going to show you today is how to install a Dashing Aquatics 100 gallon per day RO unit. First off, I already have my reverse osmosis unit set under my sink, as you can see. The tools that we will need for this are an adjustable wrench, a drill with a 1/4 bit, your kitchen sink adapter, your drain kit, and some spare tubing, 1/4 inch. Now, I already have my RO system conveniently placed under the sink. What you want to do is install your drain assembly kit. You would start by drilling a hole in your existing plumbing. Now, I already have a reverse osmosis system hooked up to this particular sink, so as you can see, I already have a drain kit installed. But to show you just how easy it is, you drill your hole, you'd place on your gasket. It's sticky on one side, like so. You'd poke the hole out and then put that on. Then what you would do is you would put on your bolts, like so, screw them in, and then put on your top part there. And you can do that in easily less than a minute. What you're going to want to do now is go in, turn off the water to your cold water tap, use your adjustable wrench, and loosen off the nut. Now, it's normal for a little bit of water to pour out of here. And there it is. Next, what you want to do is install your adapter kit. It should screw right onto the top of your existing water shut-off valve there. You can just put it on, screw it around a couple of times. Next, you want to put on your top part back on, screw it on, use the wrench, This is what the faucet adapter should look like once it's installed in between the water supply for the house, for the cold water for the sink, and the actual sink connection. Now, next, what you want to do is take your length of hose, push it into the adapter and pull it back out, and then push it into your reverse osmosis ball valve right here. Okay, now that that's done, what we want to make sure happens, this hose right here is for your wastewater. Now, what happens with this is your water is actually going down your drain, the water that's washed away, that's no good anymore. So normally your wastewater would go in here, but the kit's already installed, so I'm just going to put this down the sink for a minute so that no water goes on the floor. Now, this water line here is actually your potable water line. So the water that comes out of here is actually what you're going to be drinking. Now that you're all installed and ready to go, what you want to do is you want to turn on your water supply, ensuring that your ball valve is shut or closed. You know it's closed when it's all the way over to the left. There. The household water supply is now turned on. Now, so that no filters are wasted, I didn't actually put any into the system itself, but everything is on tight and sealed, ready to go. So all you have to do to get water out of your reverse osmosis system, turn it on. The water will then fill up from chamber to chamber. Your wastewater is now draining. And we now have water coming out into our glass.